Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about what does Bitcoin do on the Cash App. So basically, if you're not familiar with Bitcoin, it's a cryptocurrency where it's digital currency that you can use to buy or trade for real money, or you can either, as you can see right here, buy, sell, send, receive Bitcoin on the Cash App, and you can also invest in a percentage of your Bitcoin or your paycheck into Bitcoin and round that up into Cash App card transactions and turn that even into spare change. So here, this is how it would look like. So if you're here in your Cash App, you go to investing, you can discover a stock, and you can even get one for your Bitcoin. So you can trade your Bitcoin for cash and use that cash for investing into stocks right here, such as Coke, Nvidia, and many much more. So there you go, guys. That is what is Bitcoin right here in your Cash App. You can use it for cryptocurrency and cryptocurrency uses and trading. So there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button, and of course, don't forget to subscribe.